Habibi, come to Meghalaya!
So we were in Meghalaya for 7 days, and in this vlog, we are gonna recommend you some best places, cafes and homestays. We arrived at the Guwahati airport and directly reached Shillong. Quickly we checked into Shariloom homestay and left for Umiam Lake to enjoy a beautiful boat ride with a perfect sunset. Since there was too much of traffic at the Shillong market, we skipped it and ended our day with a delicious pizza at Pizza Barn. Next day we left for Cherrapunji for the most famous 3-layered waterfall, Visodong. The trek for this waterfall is not so difficult, but the most difficult part is to go inside that freezing water. We almost took about an hour to dare, but we finally jumped. After this ice water plunge, we couldn't stop shivering for an hour and again ended our day with this magical sunset.
In Cherrapunji, we stayed at a property called Vista by La Cooper, which had an amazing view. This day was special because it was our 4th anniversary. और आज मुझे कुछ मेरी शादी से भी ज़्यादा तूफानी करना था. So I decided to do bungee jumping. But let me tell you guys, शादी से ज़्यादा dangerous और कुछ भी नहीं है.
Day 4 is my personal favorite because we went to this hidden secret waterfall, the heart-shaped pool, Rang Sokham waterfall. Oh my god, the water was so blue, so cold, and since we reached a little late, there was no one around. It was just the 4 of us.
Day 5 we went to Mollynog, Asia's cleanest village, and also visited Living Root Bridge.
Honestly, we didn't enjoy Mollynog, so we would rather recommend you to skip this and go to Crimchampe instead.
Now day 6 was my personal favorite because इस दिन no walking, no trekking, just boat में बैठो and head towards the blue waters of Kupli Dam.
हमने ये ब्लू पानी सिर्फ रील्स में देखा था and we thought these are edited reels. But no, the water is blue for real. We jumped into the water again and again, and for people who don't know how to swim, they provide life jackets so you can also swim and enjoy. After this, we headed to Nongzrong, which was a 5-hour drive, stayed overnight, woke up at 4:30 to see the best sunrise of our lives. Generally, लोग शिलोंग में रुकते हैं और फिर सुबह travel करके Nongzrong जाते हैं, but what we would recommend is to stay in the Nongzrong village. Also, the Lara homestay is amazing. She's Lara and she's the best host you can ever have. That's it from Meghalaya, and then we headed back to Guwahati airport for our flight to Mumbai. If you want us to create a similar Meghalaya trip for you, comment down Meghalaya and our team from Luxor Trails will reach out to you.